ho, ho! It's time to help Santa and the elves get all the presents ready. Let's do some Christmas phonics. While you are waiting, keep a lookout for the gingerbread men who are hiding in Santa's workshop. I wonder how many you will find. I'll tell you the answer at the end of the video. Santa needs a toy that starts with a S. Will he choose Santa, ant, clock? Yes, Santa starts with a S. Santa needs another toy that starts with a S. Will he choose hat, sweets, plain? Yes, sweets start with a S. Santa's next present also starts with a S. Will he choose bike, ant, snowman? Yes, snowman starts with a S. All the things in Santa's sack start with a S. Santa, sweets, snowman. Well done. Santa now needs a toy that starts with a B. Will he choose star, bauble, sheep? Yes, bauble starts with a B. Santa needs another present that starts with a B. Will he choose cap, fort, bell? Yes, bell starts with a B. All the things in Santa's sack now starts with a B. Bauble, bell. Fantastic. Santa now needs things that start with the sound K. Will he choose rat, candle, flag? Yes, candle starts with a K. Santa needs something else that starts with a K. Will he choose net, frog, card? Yes, card starts with a K. Santa needs another present that starts with a K. Will he choose cracker, bag, rat? Yes, cracker starts with a K. All the things in Santa's sack now starts with a K. Candle, card, cracker. Fantastic. Santa and Elf have finished for today. Did you find the 10 gingerbread men? I hope so. Merry Christmas!